Hey Whitney, your wellness counselors Miss B and I hope that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy at this time. We'd also like to go ahead and wish you all a good luck in the upcoming comps next week. So we'd like to share a couple of stress management tips as well as coping skills that you may utilize. We cannot wait to see you all again in person soon, so please continue to stay safe and take care.
Tip number 1. During periods of anxiety, the stress response becomes triggered, causing you to have short, shallow breaths. Using deep breathing as a coping skill triggers a relaxation response, causing symptoms of anxiety to fade away. You will see Miss B demonstrating what a shallow breath looks like using a bubble wand. Here, she inhales quickly and exhales quickly, so the bubble is relatively small. However, take a look at the size of the bubble when Miss B takes a deep breath in and exhales slowly. Notice how the bubbles are significantly bigger. Tip number 2. Regularly practicing taking slow, deep breaths can provide immediate relief from stress and anxiety. Miss B will be using a balloon to demonstrate what to avoid, taking short, shallow breaths. The balloon barely expands as she exhales quickly. Here, Miss B is inhaling slowly, taking a moment, then exhaling slowly as well, causing the balloon to expand bigger. As you practice, imagine your stomach expanding like a balloon as you inhale, then breathe out slowly, just like how Miss B releases air slowly, demonstrating exhaling slow breaths. Tip 3. Try counting out your breaths. Counting your breaths may take your mind off the source of anxiety or stress. As you lay down or sit comfortably, try inhaling through your nose, pausing, then exhaling.
The wellness counselors want to remind you to take some time to take care of yourself during comps week, and whether that's de-stressing with some Play-Doh, coloring books, or just drawing at home, make sure you're taking breaks during studying, you're getting plenty of sleep, fluids, and you're eating throughout the day. Good luck on comps.